Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the voice in the ChatGPT app. So, let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Now, tap on two lines icon in the top left corner. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, scroll down and find voice option. Once you find, tap on it. Here, you'll see different available voices. Simply tap on any voice to preview it. Once you find the one you like, tap on Done, and it will be set as your default voice. Now go back and start a voice conversation, and you'll hear the new voice in action. If you don't see the voice option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you can easily change the voice in the ChatGPT app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.